Chairova Soper strong Quiremban Bazaar. Prime Minister, Governor and Chief Minister greet people on Sajibu Nomapanba, Chairova. Education Minister Radheshyam finds many lapses during his first visit to government schools in Thawal district. IFCD Minister inspects Vaisal Maril in Kaisampong, assures people of cleaning it before monsoon. And Mahut Minister Shyam Kumar assures that Kumba, Lamlong and Waka Hill markets will be constructed very soon. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lathima Monica with the latest news updates. The people are making preparations for the celebration of the Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova. The Meitei community celebrates New Year on Sajibu Nomapanba with religious and traditional fervor and enthusiasm. Like in the previous years, Chairova shoppers thronged the Quiremban Bazaar since early morning to purchase seasonal fruits, vegetables, seasonal flowers and other items required for the celebration. Sources said the prices of all the items went up, but the shoppers willingly paid for them without bargaining with the women vendors. Shoppers expressed their happiness and welcomed the new year. Meanwhile, some vendors complained that the sale this year was not good.
Anoba sahi lakpada laibak se sahong ahong ba yamna nungai ai phanapan ba laiba amu haning sahi amda mutang lakpani na ko khoi chaungna dum tawge khot khanli nung pamba nimi asidagi maitei gi nungai ba nimi asida Manipur gi oiban santi purapo oisinu haying di saramo ne do ngasi gi pochi se lak na ngai ngarang di dum jol ma dum nungai horen khara thengdara khara ung farakini Mamanji de ade dum lalak pani na kumai rang matam mina moina jo dum tanga dum la hore ado koina jo dum khara profit laina ba khara mu he na mu jole mai tai gi lak pa da nungai ba phajai ado jo laibak sida ban blockage se si madi laihan bino na si madi haijani ge pase khara wale tharak pa da tanga laure na hangai di hong na laubani hantak ti tange serau bani tang ba
asanak ni jerau masini anu imat ni ing na sing na palaga jerau ngodong male Maman nang manayam na anong imat ni hekale maman se. Anum nungai mamal ni helay na num isana nung khanga num layba num layramina num ngang na bani num nungai.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also wished the people of Manipur on the occasion. In his tweet, Modi wished the people a cheerful and harmonious year ahead. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of the auspicious occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova. In her message, the governor said New Year is an occasion to rejoice and make new resolutions. She said, let us strive together for a better Manipur, setting apart our differences and working for a common goal. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion. In his message, Khemchan wished for love, peace, harmony and an overall development of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain also greeted the people on the occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova. In his message, the Chief Minister hoped that the festival will bring joy, prosperity and peaceful coexistence among the people of Manipur. BJP Manipur Pradesh President KSH Bhavananda has also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova. Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee greeted the people on Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova. In a message, the party wished that the people live together in peace and harmony. MPTCC also condoled the loss of lives in unfortunate accidents on March 27 in Manipur. Like in previous years, Kanglai Inat Yokhatpallop Nambol took out a torch rally on the eve of Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova. The rally began with the lighting of the sacred fire at the sacred Kangla and covered major areas in Imphal before ending at Nambol Market. The rally aimed at spreading good wishes of Sajibu Nomapanba Chairova as well as preserving the traditions and culture of Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯪꯂꯩ ꯈꯨꯕꯨꯂꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯊꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯊꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ oiro amagi oiro sol kangjei kangde muna kangjei kunung sei punamak sing se khoi huji phawda akhoi yokatana thorum kaya competition kaya pandoktan lai aduna maram oire har kanda iramdam Manipur ase wakhal amata no oire har puning amata lungduna chingba ina lailing ase amudang chakhol hanmin si haiduna ngasi ma kangla digi maya paina miya na pawjel si pizadi loin.
For the first time after becoming the Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthombam Biren yesterday called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. He was accompanied by Works Minister Thongam Biswajit. And Biren apprised the Prime Minister of various development projects in Manipur. During the meeting, the centre agreed to grant Manipur 140 to 150 crore rupees very shortly for various development works. An additional amount of 82 crore rupees was given to Manipur for the current year. The centre also agreed to continue the sharing pattern of 90:10 for central-sponsored schemes in Manipur. Construction of 4-lane National Highway 2 will start very soon. A press release issued by Directorate of Information and Public Relations says mini secretariat proposal will be sent to Ministry of Donor for their consideration. It also says construction of women's market in all districts will be considered for NLCPR funding from Ministry of Donor. The construction of 60-bedded mental hospital will be approved by the Ministry of Health after appropriate proposal is sent. The Ministry of Sports and Ministry of Power will also consider flood lighting of Koman Park Sports Complex. Construction of flyovers will be considered under the Smart City project. Education Minister Thopchom Radheshyam today found many lapses during his first visit to various government schools in Thoubal district. A headmaster had declared holiday at Tentha Marong Ban Primary School today on the occasion of Chairawa. Hairok Part 2 Maninglekai Lower Primary School, which was demolished 3 years back after the then Education Minister assured of renovating it, was still found in the same condition. The minister was accompanied by Commissioner of Education ZEO Thoubal and top officials of Ramsa and SSA. Officials who accompanied the minister and Dilip says there are 3 teachers in Hairok Part 2 Maninglekai Lower Primary School, and since the school was demolished, classes were held at the headmaster's residence. Kangthok Chau Upper Primary School at Salongpan was also found to be in a deplorable condition. A power substation was also installed on the campus of Yairipok Aided High School and Yairipok High School, and an urban primary health center at Paudin Upper Primary School. In a rare incident, KGBV Girls Hostel was found being run by a few individuals without the approval of the officials concerned. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam emphasized that education plays a vital role in development of the society and that the new government will do all it can to bring education on the right track. He further said Manipur lags in health and education sector, and hence the maximum revenue of the state goes to other states. The Education Minister assured that the government will try to bring back the right path. The team also visited different class 10 examination centers in the district.
Primary school, Sahum control was among Katangleva. Was Amakatana class, Mari Mahatami. Adum Malera already a quay team united fight on Lerame. Was Atru Satra and Ahumari, Nasimakta, Quay and Tadore, Satra Kuntaret Levada, was Anipanli Hore. A rebuilding Saramada, SSC Makaras Habada, Atopami district, Atop the Gana Pusalaga, Sajala Mokola Mayam Ore. Ngasing Asima quite important Nova minority Oina Yam special Oiva project Amu Oina, Kasturba Gandhi. Bal Bidyalay है ना अकोई district में अपन खरा सोथर अब area की दंगता सारक पर design तो वो project फटा करो project अदुंग नसी अकोई थोबाल district की स्टेज दा सारे बसी मग तरह तो वीर अमोट अकाई में हमसे मैं हम उबीरे मी की fault finding आरान में फट बथी बनते असुम बगा आरान बगा अफवा अकोई तुंग ना हो रही बांगांग सिंग से future pillars सिंग से सीकर में ना फंजी के हाई भी पांडम दा कोई जेड यूज़ यार जो कमिश्नर कोई में हम लागते इसने तो
IFCD Minister, Health Minister, accompanied by the Chief Engineer of IFCD, inspected the Waisal Maril and Kesamtong constituency this morning. IFCD Minister Letfao Haukeb and Health Minister Jayant Kumar assured the people of cleaning the canal before the rainy season. The team inspected parts of the canal from Kesamtong Hodam Lerak till the northern side of Ngandapithong. They also interacted with the people living in the area to understand the situation and their inconveniences. Chief Engineer of IFCD G. Robindro says even though repair and construction work on Waisal Maril was carried out partially and that the major part of the work was done under Mahuz, He said the construction work is done by another department and that IFCD gets the blame during floods. Robindro urged the new government to hand over the construction and repair works on Waisal Maril to IFCD.
Si Waisal Basin sina ko lebam singati anak ba leba makali jaga singji ising thume ado kai do veino mun yengan de lei si lam incrostruction pe problem lei adi loina namuk lei makali akhoi gi drain si pixel phau da magi mong tan maintain to maintenance of chum wat pa habitai si gi lei ba khoi councillor sing members sing myam meeting pangbiro sitting MLA moina pangbia ba machine tool certificate finance man myam meeting pang akhoi myam blab tim moina work to winner ka mong tan mur to gor ka di handak ki chahi te khar maki di koi phagin he bi asa lei mam ising thumba kan ba du se praja masani ati ising thumna ba honari bi su praja san to bi ganu manam di koi gi phata hawdi mam sida sum phundara ga di phulakani phulaga di isan wajan na bi isan to bi ganu.
Mahut Minister Thongnauzam Shyam Kumar today assured the people of reconstructing Kongwa Market, Lamlong Market and Kwakatel Market, which were damaged in an earthquake last year with parking facilities at the earliest. He made the assurance while visiting the three markets today. The minister visited the markets along with Health Minister L. Jayantikumar, Parliamentary Secretaries L. Shushindro and Parliamentary Secretary Satyaberta, officials of Town Planning and Mahut. Shyam Kumar said blueprints for the three markets will be ready by April 10 and further discussions with the Chief Minister and authorities concerned will soon be held to start the project. He said a maximum of 1.5 years will be taken to complete the works. He also said the proposal for the works will be sent to the ministry as soon as possible. Shyam Kumar said efforts to make Imphal city a clean city will be given top priority by the new government. He added, licenses will be cancelled where cleanliness is not maintained and appealed to the people to maintain cleanliness at any cost.
Ima market, dagi lamlong kaitel, kwa kaitel, kongba, koi Manipur ki jaga lai diba koi municipality kaitel mayam se. Si sabsana koi simultaneously koi loin papa kaneb. Yam atu matam da proposal si minister thara ni aduga. Yam tiala bata sahi ama sangam da sahi ama makai si manung da koi losan na mohona neb. Koi ki Imphal manung da phami ba bal street vendor mayam, hai tai dukan mayam se. Mamgi mamang kita magi sida phami kaitel imai ben phami mayam se. Masa ki mafam se. Koi yam lunan thang da bane masa magi mangona tham da maina. Aduga di masa ki ko jo ma hangam jo bi jo ko bi jo bo jo magi amol kai mayam do magi dustbin tongan hapura dustbin da hapsen birang badam deba. Aduga che masen mo city jingam tahalo. Koina sigi step city koina especially ko Imphal city da hone. Within 1 month ngi manung da Imphal city da hamba ko sport ogani.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Association says it called off the proposed 17-hour ban on the issue of Framework Agreement ILP and Asabuddin because the Chief Minister assured them of resolving the issue. General Secretary of the association M.A. Jesava told the media at Hafta that the Chief Minister assured them that at a meeting at the Chief Minister's residence that the matter concerning Asab will be resolved. Jesava says the organization is hopeful that the Chief Minister will keep his promise.
MD Asabuddin Yelhomini Natragan Maxi Atopa Bangladesh Gaina Tongan ba loop sing na phongdong na pagi wafam lairiba sigi samam na ba lairiba si hariba bill sigi mayek sing batang nang ba madu tangnang ba du khang batara lairam liba sai na ba si lairam loi haiba wafam madu ni matang hida thamjaning liba si CM na athuba matam da thaba si losinna bu honar gani haiba gi thajaba pirakpadagi hariba balla si suspend tokre.
BJP Nungba Mandal formed a development committee by the name Bharatiya Janata Party Nungba Constituency Development Committee on the 23rd of this month. The committee will assist any development activity to be taken in Nungba constituency. BJP Nungba Mandal in a press note also stated that no development work will be taken up without the approval and knowledge of Adim Pamay, Vice President BJP Manipur Pradesh and the BJP candidate of 54 Nungba Assembly constituency. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A team of Imphal East District Police Commando apprehended 2 cadres of UNLF while conducting frisking and checking around Andro Parking, Wankai area on the 27th of this month. The cadres have been identified as Huidrom Hemantajit Singh alias Naubi alias Poram Khangba, 39, son of H. Gunindro Singh of Kongba Laisham Lekai, and Singam Jiten Singh alias Danao alias Chingyang, 35 years, son of S. Ibocho Singh from the same locality. A case has been registered at Porongpat Police Station. Apunba Iraipaki Mahairoi Singpang Lop, AIMS has alleged that the students use unfair means in science paper at some centers of high school living certificate examination conducted by the Board of Secondary Education, Manipur today. General Secretary of AIMS Somorjit Huidrom claimed that the volunteers of the student body today seized guidebooks and notes from some students when they visited some examination centers. In one of the tribes, AIMS volunteers seized a sack full of cheating papers from students at Success School Chingaril Center, Sawongbo. They also found that invigilators ignored when the students were copying from cheating papers at Uchiwa High School Center. Speaking to media persons at Kwakaitel Girls High School, Somorjit held the negligence by the invigilators and OCs at the examination centers responsible for students using unfair means. Somorjit appealed to invigilators to perform their duties sincerely and also urged authorities to look into the matter.
AIMS ki volunteers na phagalakpa koi CZ mayam koi sida leiribasine koi sumba pattaba chanabi si sum tawdana leiragadi koi tungda horkadaba mahiroi sing asina lairik pabugi muhta huran nolagi lambida sum chatkiduna yam tam thiba mongda leibagi fibam aduda leire oja singna asugumba pattaba thabak asi matung naw tawbiganu asugum phadak pattaba chanabi si makha tan tawbiduna bamri lenaba authority amadi government na mieng changbiu makha tan asugumba thabak tawraba thengnarabadi AIMS na akan makhongjang akan mieng changlagani.
Meanwhile, Manipuri Students Federation MSF has refuted the allegation by Apunba Iraipaki Mahairoi Singpanglop AIMS in media that two persons of MSF supplied copying papers to class 12 students appearing in history and biology exam conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur as baselifts. Speaking at a press meet at MSF's office at Kesamthong, External Affairs Secretary Ningthausam Jugeshwar clarified that MSF has no office bearers with the names Saikom Roshan and Y. Saihoba, and these names are not in the list provided by the Council. He said it is AIMS' attempt to defame MSF and questioned why AIMS did not arrest the two on the spot while they were supplying notes. He also asked why they did not inform MSF about them.
Roshan amadi Saihoba hairiba mahiroi ani si saduna changjal luriba mahiroi adu athuba matamda Manipuri Student Federation gi mafamda changjarakadabani numit ini fawgi manungda changjarakadabani karigumba changjaraktaba targadi Manipuri Student Federation gi akhanaba team ama semduna athuba matamda thiba hogani hairiba akhanaba team asina thiba horo matungda karigumba MSF na phangba targadi lebak miyamda singdokani amadi hairiba mahiroi ani si mathakta aini mateng lawduna logi mateng lawduna akanba cherak pigani.
Gramin Dag Sevak Committee staged sit-in across the country against the central government's decision to review Chairman Kamlesh Chandan Pay Commission report and demanding to implement it. All India Gramin Dag Sevak Union Manipur Division also staged a sit-in at Imphal Post Office, Babupara, and urged the Postal Department to treat all employees equally. They demanded implementation of the Commission's report. Gramin Dag Sevak employee and departmental employee took part in the protest.
Asi aikoina phamjariba dharana asi aikoigi pay commission gi haibri 2016 gi January di effect oigraba pay commission ji aikoigi di ngasi bawa pay si commission tobidana thamba pay committee gi chairman di aikoigi pay committee gi recommendation ji government da langkhale aba aduga government na delay tekti sanaraga aikoigi si thindan bai tare recommend tawrei possible review committee ma semjalaga makoina aikoigi piriba recommend tawrei porsi handhana bo honarakpa adugi matangda ikoina adugi mayokta ikoina dharana achi phamjabani.
A 5-day festival of MIFF Mumbai International Film Festival award-winning films organized by Films Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Department of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, Manipur State Film Development Society and Film Society of Manipur will begin from March 30 at State Information Center, Palace Gates. Eminent film critic R.K. Bidur, winner of Swarna Kamal Award for Best Film Critic of National Film Awards 2008, will inaugurate the festival. Sivendra Singh Dungapur's international acclaimed film, The Immortals, and two musical films, Ingo Bhujay's Solo Finale USA and Singhdar Banerjee's Nuptial Memoirs, will be shown on the opening day. Around 15 films in different languages, namely Polish, Danish, Khasi, Malayalam, Gujarati, English, Manipuri and Marathi, will be screened in the festival at 5 p.m. every day. Now news from the world of sports. In the last leg match of the first TH Birachandra Veteran Invitation Football Tournament, IVFA Kanchipur and FC Imphal ended in a 1-1 draw. Bhumeshwar netted the lone goal for IVFA Kanchipur in the 30th minute of the match, while FC Imphal player Krishna made the equalizer in the 33rd minute. With this, the lineup for the semi-final matches is set. IVFA Kanchipur will play VSAI Thamaiban in the first semi-final match on the 30th of this month. Trao Kwakaithil and Re Young Star Nagamapal entered the semi-finals of the first MCA Luangpokpa T20 Cricket Trophy today. In the third quarter-final match played today at Luangpokpa Cricket Stadium, Luang Sangbam, organized by Manipur Cricket Association, YWC Langtabal batted first by winning the toss and made 92 runs for 8 wickets in 20 overs. In reply, Trao Kwakaithil made 96 runs for 6 wickets and 19.2 overs to beat YWC Langtabal by 4 wickets. Trao Kwakaithil's all-rounder Priyojit was declared the man of the match. In the fourth quarterfinals of the ongoing cricket trophy, winning the match, Chem Khagempally batted first and made 102 runs for 9 in 20 overs. While in the second innings of the match, Re Young Star Nagamampal made 103 runs for 3 wickets in 19.5 overs, defeating Chem Khagempally by 7 wickets and entered the semi-finals. Re Young Star Nagamampal's Rajesh Patel took 3 wickets and was declared the man of the match. MTFC Laimakong and Neroka FC Sangakpam will face each other in the finals of the 7th Sahit Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF Football Tournament. In the first semi-finals of the tournament played at Kumalampak Main Stadium today, MTFC Laimakong thrashed Thamaiban by 7-1. MTFC Laimakong's player Vaipe netted 3 goals, RN Ngataimi netted 2 goals, while Zimek and Maram scored a goal each. Sitanjit netted the lone goal for Thao Thamaiban. In the second semi-final of the ongoing tournament, Neroka FC Sangakpam got a walkover since YDO Lamdong Konjeng Lekai did not show up. A football tournament organized by Group Center CRPF Langjing and Imphal West District Football under the supervision of Manipur and Nagaland CRPF Sector and All Manipur Football Association has participated by 12 teams. The final match will be played on March 31st. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Terror shoppers strong Paramban Bazaar, Prime Minister, Governor and Chief Minister greet people on Sijibu Nomapanba Cherapa. Education Minister Radhesham finds many lapses during his first visit to government schools in Thopal district. IFCD Minister inspects Waisal Maril NK Sampong, assures people of cleaning it before monsoon. And Mahut Minister Shyam Kumar assures that Komba, Lamlong and Kwakaithil markets will be constructed very soon.